them up under here. Hey.
Brand new Camaro. This will be the 5th pass on this car. 5 total passes on this car.
Okay, somebody that made 5 passes. Am I a Cowboy fan? Nah. I'm a get money fan. Let me find out the Cowboys playing somebody that they supposed to lose to. Which I would have got popped. Because I would have thought that the, what was that team that just played them? North Carolina or somebody. Whoever they were, Panthers. They were supposed to win, I think. But they didn't. Some of these small blocks need a tune-up. Easy win. Scott Taylor. Great job, Scott Taylor. Oh, I can get on that stand. I ain't even noticed that I could. Oh, they got it blocked. Damn. They got it blocked. Boy, he got them pit vipers on, y'all. Them the ones, man. I remember this one dude at the Rednecks with Paychecks. Boy, he paid a dude like $180 for them glasses. Oh, it was something outrageous. He made him drop out everything. He made his partner give him some money for him and everything. Vipers pulling the females, they like them too.
Turn around. Come back from drivers being bucked.
Boys say pass out cards. I'm limited on cards now, so I'm just taking my roll, snowing my roll on the card, passing out. I'm gonna just pass them out to people that I talk to from now on. Ordering more business cards when I get back to Dallas. Put more drone information. I need to make sure I find out where the spot with the most. Ooh. Oh, this is a good stable connection right here. I got all 5 balls. Yes, Justin already raced. He making too much power. He making the boy say. He got that thing. He won't leave the front wheels on the ground. Yeah, they be looking like they gonna wreck. Could be getting loose. They It looked like he ain't have enough tire pressure or something. It was swaying on the big end. Leaking some up there. Oh shit, he just wiped it up. Oh, it wasn't nothing. Which one y'all going? Right lane or the left lane? Boy, left lane for the win, man. Went around him. Golly. That little old thing was hustling. Left lane for the win. Yeah, that was an Opal. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and share, man. I know I ain't said it in a minute. Yeah, tell somebody. Hit that like button. I'm pretty sure it's low. We ain't got all the people that's on here. We should be able to have that many likes. Because some of them done left and came back. So ain't nothing wrong with hit that like button, y'all. Hit the like, share it. Share it to Facebook. Matter of fact, that's what I'm about to do. I'm finna share over on the Facebook. See if I can get me some more viewers myself, man. Hold on, y'all. Where we at? YouTube. Live. 159 people watching.